Hey guys, I'm Mrs. Ryan, and today we're going to start getting ready for spring break with a flash mob to Wipeout. This flash mob will take place on Friday, March 22nd at about 12:05 p.m., right at the end of lunch. Everyone is invited to participate, including teachers and families, so have fun practicing together. In this video, I will be your mirror, so when I say to use your right hand, I'll be using this one. When you first hear the music, you're going to run out to your place on the blacktop, and you're going to have your arms overhead, and you're going to kick your feet behind you, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 3 8 counts to get there, so you have to go pretty fast. The first part of choreography in this is swimming. You're going to start with your right hand, swim 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there you're going to plug your nose and sink down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to do that 3 times in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next part we have in the choreography, I'm going to call Rainbow Wave. And the way a wave works is the choreography starts at one end of the blacktop and gets sent all the way down. Then it'll get sent all the way back. We'll do that a couple of times. To help me teach, I'm bringing in a guest. So for this part, you'll start looking to the right with your hands on your right knee. You'll wait for the person to the right of you to start, and they'll do a big rainbow. And once you see they've started, then it's your turn. Now you're looking to the left, and you wait for the person to the left. Great, and then we'll do it again. And then one more time. Awesome, thank you. After we do the wave, we're going to do that rainbow 2 times all together at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, we'll take jazz hands all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the rainbow wave, we have our next part of choreography, which I'll call party arms. And you're going to start with your right arm up, and you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From there, you're going to swish your hips to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then same thing to the left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. And again, we're going to do this 3 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we have another wave, but this time, instead of doing the rainbow, we will do a pop-up, which is simply down here, and then you pop up when it's your turn in the wave. I'll invite my guest back on to help me show how this looks. So again, you start looking to your right, and you wait for the person on your right to pop up. Then it's your turn, and you look to the left. And then the choreography comes back this way. And again. And one more time. Thank you. And then just like in the rainbow wave, now you will do 2 on your own, everyone together. Pop up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, jazz hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After the pop-up wave, we now have a rock and roll section. So you'll hold your guitar with your left hand, and you'll play air guitar with your right hand for 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to step out with your right foot and do 2 claps, step, clap, clap. Other foot, step, one, clap. Same thing to the back. Step, clap, clap, step, clap. Just like before, we'll do this section 3 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, clap, clap, step, clap, step, clap, clap, step, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, we come up to a wave, and this time we're going to repeat the rainbow wave from before, which starts here, and you go up and over. You wait for the person over here, and you go this way again. Waiting, rainbow, rainbow, and then, again, 2 all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jazz hands, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we go back into swimming from before, starting with your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sink down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Third time. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're coming to the end of the flash mob, and here you're going to jump and put your right foot forward like you're jumping onto your surfboard, and you're going to surf here for 2 8 counts, however you see fit. 2 8 counts of surfing. Then you will jump and put the other foot forward and surf this way. After 2 8s, you will find a safe way to wipe out for the end of the dance. Well, that's all the choreography, and now we're ready to try it with music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Rainbow wave. Party arms. Hop up. Rock and roll. Rainbow wave. Swim again. Surfing.
Right